Hey y'all. So I borrowed my mom's vacuum and I was vacuuming the hallway and I thought, well, I could record that if you guys might want to see. I'm just vacuuming in my room now. Um and yeah, if loud noises bother you, then this ain't the video for you. But if you'd like to see me vacuum a little bit in here, then stick around. Don't say I didn't warn you about the loud noise. Oh, maybe I should move the camera here so you can actually kind of see better. Because this is the area I'm going to be vacuuming over here. And then I'm going to vacuum in that direction. I'll just move the camera around. All right, I'm done. So, I mean, I guess I'll show you the carpet. I mean, it's kind of stained, but yeah, I'll show you. Should have showed you before I vacuumed. I'll get better at this. Just work with me. Bear with. So, okay. So, yeah, there's a stain there and there's a stain there, but it's vacuumed now. So, I'm happy. You can kind of see some vacuum lines there, and it's staying. But yeah, and my dresser's broke, so yeah, those those drawers do not close. They don't. But hey, you work with what you have until you can like do better. But yeah, thanks, Mom. Thank you for letting me borrow your vacuum, and I was able to vacuum in my room. I'll show you. There's the hallway floor too. And this floor is stained up too, but okay. So, with the exception of that there, because I was not going to vacuum with that, I'm just gonna pick that up. I don't want to mess up her vacuum, but yeah, that's a stain right there. But yeah, I'm so happy to, like, I got in the like nooks and crannies that was here. There was like a bunch of crap here, like in the corners and stuff. So I'm happy. I'm very happy. So yeah, thanks, Mom. Thank you again. And thank y'all for watching. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.